Hi everyone, Irena Geller here, Food and Mood Coach. And today I'd like to discuss with you how you can use self-compassion to stop overeating. So what is self-compassion? Self-compassion allows you to be kind to yourself, and instead of saying screw it, to recognize that what you're going through is part of a human experience, that you can stuff up, that you don't need to be perfect. So unlike self-criticism, which often leads to guilt, right? You know what I'm talking about, like say if you've overeaten, or even if you've had experience with overeating, you might feel the guilt for a long time, and that leads to self-criticism, which makes you feel like you're not good enough. Whereas self-compassion is more about what is good for you. So self-compassion is self-compassion has three components. There's mindfulness, which is being aware of your situation, being aware of how you feel, what's going on around you. Common humanity, so recognizing that it's part of common human experience. You can stuff up, you don't need to be perfect. And self-kindness, which is being kind to yourself and being nice to yourself, basically, which a lot of people have trouble doing. So I want to show you what self-compassion looks like in practice. Say, for example, starting with mindfulness, you might be giving a talk to 30 people and you're really nervous about it, and there's a plate of muffins there, and you think to yourself, I must have a muffin just so I can feel okay. Step number 2 is common humanity. You recognize that a lot of people feel nervous before a presentation, that it's only natural, that it's not just you. There's many people who feel that way. And then the last step is self-kindness. So you basically say to yourself, I choose not to have a muffin, but if I do, that's okay too. It's not the end of the world. So I hope you understand how self-compassion can help you to actually feel human and not feel like you're alone, and can actually stop you from overeating. So I'd love to know whether you use this tool or whether you don't, and how you go with it. Please let me know in the comments. I'm also going to include a link that will give you more steps to help you find soothing strategies rather than emotional eating or overeating. So until next week, Irena Geller, Food and Mood Coach. Bye for now.